Students, welcome to another class of Social and Political Life. And in this class also we'll going to continue with chapter number 1 on equality. Before proceeding towards our class, let us see what we did in the previous class. In the last class we discussed about various reasons of inequality that persist in our society. We also discussed various types of inequalities that existed in Indian society. Along with that, we have discussed the meaning of equality and how the Indian Constitution gave the provisions to sustain equality. In today's class, we are going to discuss about one article which is mentioned in Indian Constitution that gave preference to equality. We also discuss about government's role in passing laws and instituting policies. In the end, we will going to discuss the issues of inequality in United States of America to highlight that this is a global phenomena and a feature of many democratic countries. Students, we know that the Constitution plays an important role in the life of the citizens, as Constitution are the rules and regulations which provided by the Constitution to the government as well as the citizens. So here we are going to discuss about one article or guideline given by the Constitution. Through this Constitution, the state means government shall not discriminate against any citizen on ground of race, religion, caste, gender and place of birth, and no citizen must be restricted to use any public place like shops, restaurants, hotels, tanks, wells, or any other holy place. Let us see the role of the government in providing equality. We all know that the government is the organization that works for the citizens, as it is the representative of constitution. So it is the duty of government to treat everyone equally that led to promote equality. So through two ways government is promoting equality in the society. First one is by making various laws and another one is by starting various schemes and policies related to the deprived section of the society. The Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal, while earlier no law existed to protect people from discrimination. Now there are several laws that work to see that people are treated with dignity and as equals. Every person is equal before the law. What this means is that every person from the president of the country to the domestic helper has to obey the same laws. And no person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth, etc. To continue with that, one act which was passed by the government you have already done in class 6, and that was Hindu Succession Amendment Act. This act provided the equality to women in the society, as earlier before this law no woman was having the equal right to succeed the property of her father or husband. But after this act in 2005, now every daughter, whether married or unmarried, is considered a member of her father's property. Now it also grants the daughters the same rights, duties, and abilities which were earlier limited to sons. We can say that this act made the boys and girls on the equal platform. Another example of the law made by the government is the Disability Act of 2016. Nowadays, we are not using the word disabled, rather we are using specially abled persons. These specially abled persons are now getting various kinds of benefit through this act, like they are getting free education and integrate children with disabilities into mainstream schools. That means that they are no longer has to be admitted into different schools. They are having full right to get education along with the other children. This act also made the mandatory for the provision of ramps so that all the people must have the accessibility to all public places. In addition to laws, the government has also set up several schemes to improve the lives of communities and individuals who have been treated unequally for several centuries. The different examples are the midday meal scheme. This is one of the various steps of the government in this direction. Under the midday meal scheme, all government elementary schools provide children with cooked food. This scheme has helped increase the enrollment and attendance of poor children in the school. Another example is the women empowerment. Through these schemes, now women are getting better opportunities for employment so that they are having economically self-reliance in their life. Next one is the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account. Through this scheme, the government is providing certain amount of money into the account of girl, and the girl can utilize that money once they attain the age of 18 years. India is not the only country where there is inequality. There are many democratic countries around the world where the issue of equality continues to be the key issue around which communities struggle. In the United States of America, the African American was seriously discriminated against. They were considered to be social inferiors. In the late 1950s, there took place a movement known as Civil Rights Movement for equal rights for African Americans. Rosa Parks became the leader of this movement. The struggle for the recognition of all persons, that is the Civil Rights Act of 1964, was made after this movement, which prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. So after this, all persons were treated as equal, and for their dignity, the government started maintaining a hopeful society of equals.